pollution is caused by the presence of harmful substances in the air, which can have negative effects on human health, the environment, and the climate. Here are some of the main causes of air pollution. Combustion of fossil fuels. Power plants, burning coal, oil, and natural gas in power plants releases pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, SO2, nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter. Transportation. Vehicles, especially those using gasoline and diesel fuels, emit pollutants like carbon monoxide, CO, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Industrial activities. Factories and manufacturing facilities release various pollutants, including particulate matter, VOCs, sulfur compounds, and heavy metals. Chemical manufacturing processes can release hazardous substances into the air. Agricultural practices, pesticides and fertilizers used in agriculture, release pollutants such as ammonia and chemical residues into the air. Livestock farming produces methane and ammonia. Waste management. Open burning of waste materials, especially plastics and other synthetic materials, releases toxic substances into the air. Landfills emit methane and other harmful gases. Deforestation and land use changes. Clearing land for agriculture or urban development contributes to the release of pollutants and reduces the number of trees that can absorb carbon dioxide. Destruction of natural habitats can disrupt ecosystems and release stored pollutants. Construction activities. Construction sites can generate dust and release particulate matter into the air. The use of certain construction materials and equipment can emit pollutants. Natural sources. Volcanic eruptions release ash, sulfur dioxide, and other gases into the atmosphere. Forest fires release particulate matter and smoke. Household activities. Indoor activities like cooking with solid fuels or using certain cleaning products can release pollutants. Tobacco smoke contributes to indoor air pollution. Power generation, burning of biomass for energy, such as wood or crop residues, can release pollutants. Nuclear power plants can release small amounts of radioactive substances. Airborne chemical reactions. Chemical reactions in the atmosphere, such as the formation of ground-level ozone, can result in the production of secondary pollutants. Combating air pollution involves addressing these sources through regulations, technological advancements, and sustainable practices to reduce emissions and improve air quality.